In this review, we take a close look at the MICTUNING Motorcycle USB Charger, an SAE to USB cable adapter designed for motorcycles. This device allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, GPS, and other USB-powered gadgets directly from your bike's battery or existing SAE outlet. First, let's talk about power output. This charger delivers up to 2.1 amps, which is enough to charge most smartphones and small tablets at a decent speed. It's compatible with over 99% of popular brands, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Safety is a key concern for any motorcycle accessory, and MICTUNING has addressed this with a flame-retardant ABS shell and good conductive copper materials. It also includes a 10 SAE inline blade fuse for overcurrent protection. The charger works with a wide voltage range of DC 12 to 24 volts, making it suitable for almost all motorcycles. Dual purposes. You can power it directly from your existing SAE outlet or connect it to the battery using the ring terminal extension cable. This flexibility makes installation easy regardless of your bike's setup. The weatherproof cover is a standout feature. The fully enclosed rubber cap snaps on to keep water and dust out, extending the charger's lifespan. This is essential for riders who face rain or dusty conditions. Mounting is simple. There are 4 zip tie holes and 2 screw holes for secure attachment. You can also use adhesive tape to stick it on a flat surface. Note that mounting parts are not included, but zip ties and screws are easy to find. During testing, the charger performed reliably. The SAE connector fits snugly, and the 2.1 amp output charged my iPhone 13 from 20% to 80% in about an hour while riding. The weatherproof cover stayed in place even at highway speeds. In summary, the MICTUNING Motorcycle USB Charger is a practical, affordable solution for keeping your devices charged on the go. It offers solid build quality, safety features, and ease of installation. If you need a reliable SAE to USB adapter, this is a great choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best price.